Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene. I invite you to come along with me in the kitchen while I do for you T-bone steak and carrots Jamaican style. I invite you to like my video, to share my channel with your friends, and invite them to subscribe. And don't be shy. We are family. Leave your comment in the comment section and be sure to turn on your post notification. Thank you so much. Welcome to my kitchen. Family and friends, as you can see, my T-bone steak, they are all seasoned, well marinated and ready to go. Now, this was one of a Sunday special where my mother would only pull out on special occasions. In a deep Dutch pot, guys, in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, I will put my T-bone steak to fry until they are golden brown. And to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for making my channel one of your viewers. For my usual viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for making my channel week after week. Remember to leave your comments and like the video and share this video for the entire video. Alright, family and friends, so one set is all done and I've added another set, and if only you can smell all of this beefy aroma in the kitchen. Now guys, you see I cover it to allow the steam to go through my steak while they are frying on both sides. Next, family and friends, I'm gonna add to that all my steak. Cover, guys, to cook for about 3 minutes just to lock in maximum flavor, and this looks good. Next, I remove my steak from the pot using the same sauce. I've added to that a sprig of thyme, about 5 cloves of garlic that I've rough chopped, guys. I've added to that my scallions, 2 peeled tomatoes. I've added to that some carrots, a cup of water, cover to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. I know you've been enjoying my video. I encourage you to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe if you have not already done so. Next, family and friends, it's time to nice up the pot. So I'm gonna add to that 2 tablespoons of ketchup, guys. I'm gonna add to that my powdered seasoning and my scotch bonnet pepper, my bell pepper. I'm gonna add to that the steak, guys, and cover to simmer in for about 5 minutes. My spiritual nugget comes to us from 1 Corinthians 10 verse 13. I'm here to remind somebody that temptation and fears will come your way, but be not dismayed, because you have a God who is greater than your fears, who is greater than your trials, and he has the ability to help you to overcome these trials. Now, family and friends, your carrot is a perfect way to get in your vegetables for your kids, and it adds the perfect balance to your steak. It gives it a nice sweetish taste, guys, so it works perfectly. Family and friends, as you can see, the meal is all done. It smells good, look good. Can't wait to dig in all of this goodness. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. As you can see, guys, I have paired this with some rice and peas and some potato salad. I can't wait to dig in. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me, and I will see you next week, guys. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe, share my channel with your friends, and leave your comments in the comment section.